Hello YouTube, Kimmy Fortune here, and I am out on my patio grilling some burgers and dogs for the kids. We I worked in the yard yesterday. Today my grandson, Shay, he cut the grass for me. He did a really good job. Show you. Yes, he did a great job. He didn't weed whack. I got a lot of high grass growing up the fence. I'm going to have to do that myself on my next off day. The air conditioner is on because it's hot today. I cleaned out my flower bed, thinned out the hostas. They were overgrowing my flower bed. And I cleaned out my strawberry plant. And I bought more strawberry plants. So I'm going to make a bigger strawberry patch. What I'm thinking about doing is buying one of those raised planter boxes and put my strawberries in there because the squirrels they had a field day last year. You can see bites all in my strawberries and carrying on. So I think I'm going to look into getting that raised thingamadiggy. There's a gentleman in the area who builds dog houses, nice ones. And now he's doing the raised planter boxes. So I think I'm going to get one of those for my strawberry plants. I might get two because I want to do also some veggies and stuff like that. These burgers smell delish. I gotta get these hot dogs going though. I had them up on the higher part of the grill, the smoker part. I need to get them down here where they can get this heat so that heat could pop that skin. Yes, but I got my truck back today. You know they still haven't fixed my truck. The name of that place is Unlimited Auto. They do everything, all type of repairs, body work, collisions, insurance stuff, and they sell vehicles. So, like I said, I just bought a limit. I'm going to have to pay to get that oil sensor done. And that's okay, because I want it done so that my grandkids can be safe when we're riding. I hope you guys can hear me because I bought external mics and all of that, and it still seems like my volume goes in and out. These are the strawberries that I bought, the bulbs, and I am going to plant these. Like I said, I think I want a raised strawberry patch because I was going to war with the squirrels last year. I don't want to deal with squirrels next year. I wanted some green beans, maybe some cucumbers. My garage is a hot mess. Um, I want some good veggies. I had put my patio furniture out, and I think I'm going to paint. I was saying I had bought the paint to paint this vintage table. Now the chairs aren't vintage. I found those at Home Depot. They were black, so I painted them white. But the table is vintage, and it was yellow and had a giant yellow and white striped umbrella with a ball on top. It was so cute, but it got damaged in my move, so I got rid of it. And I couldn't really get it clean because it was vinyl. I couldn't get it clean the way I wanted. So I didn't like the fact that it was not looking clean. And I scrub it down with a brush and water hose, and probably need to take it somewhere where they clean the stuff for boats and stuff. The covers for boats. Yeah, these burgers smell so good. Yeah. And them hot dogs looking gorgeous too. But that's what I'm about to give the kids. I would have loved to throw a tuna steak on here, but everything was just last minute. Well, I said I was going to do burgers this morning, but I had a really busy day. And the babies, you can't take your eyes off of them for a hot second. They something. Girl, these new babies, ooh, they busy. You tell them, and they tell you, ah. Get off of me, fly. Shoe fly, because you not be on me. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the yard. And I got those purple, I forgot what those purple flowers are called. I have a little patch of those, but they also grow these sticky bushes type things, and it takes me a few hours to thin them out to get those sticky bushes out. And the grass, oh, it's some hostas in there too. Got some hostas. And these purple, I forgot what they're called. But I'm going to clean that bed out when I get the energy. Today I didn't have the energy. Yesterday I did a lot of work, like cleaning out that flower bed. Whoa. I mean, the hostas get so big that they took over the flower bed. So I thinned them out. I took 2 whole big ones out before they bloomed. And I gave them to my sister. She came and picked them up today. Those crazy wild hostas are going to be her problem. Yes. So, I just wanted to reach out and touch bases. I didn't do any shopping today. Although I need some hot dog buns, but I don't have any. I think I'm going to grab some later on because I know they're going to eat burgers tonight and they can have the hot dogs tomorrow. Uh-oh. My battery's running down, so I'm going to have to say good night. And thank you for tuning in. Kenny's on the grill. Nice size burgers. You have a blessed, prosperous, peaceful evening. I'll see you in my next video. Kimmy out.